Okay, so here is another circuit. Let us see what does it say. The question: find V naught t for t greater than 0. So let us assume all this thing came into action at t is equal to 0. The initial voltage on the capacitor is given. This is the initial voltage, and we need to find the output of the op amp, and this was at t is equal to 0 at the time the circuit started operation. So now this is an op amp circuit, and we know the op amp well. We know the ideal op amp characteristics, so we will put that into our use. So what do we want to find? V naught t is equal to V naught at infinity plus V naught initially minus V naught at infinity e raised by minus t. Switching time is 0. We know here what tau. So tau is basically in a capacitive circuit, tau is RC. So we need to find the R that the capacitor sees. So if we have to find the Thevenin equivalent with respect to capacitor, what the capacitor is going to see. So we know if we solve this all with the node voltage method, if we take this as ground or 0 volts, we know through the op amp characteristics that this will also be at 0 volts. So the capacitor truly is only seeing this. The capacitor current is going to truly be in this circuit. So it's sort of a complete. It's 0 volt is 0 volt, same point. So this is an RC circuit, and we can solve this to find what this voltage is, the voltage across the capacitor. Let us take this voltage to be VCT. So we know how this VC is going to behave, although we want to find this, but this will depend on VC. And if you look at this circuit only, ignore what do we have here, a voltage source or a capacitor, but look at this circuit. In this circuit, this is an inverting op amp. We are going to get V naught that is equal to minus the feedback resistor, which is 4 kilo ohm, over the input resistor, which is 2 kilo ohm, into whatever is the input voltage, VC. So V naught t that we wish to find is equal to minus 2, is the negative of twice of VCT. So in reality, we need to find VCT. So if we look at this thing, VCT is going to, again using the general solution, the value of VC at infinity plus VC at 0 plus minus VC at infinity e raised power minus t over tau, and tau in this case would be 2 kilo ohm into C, which is 1 into 10 raised power minus 3, which will be 2 seconds. So what will be the initial value? We already know that VC at 0 plus is 8 volt. It's going to stay. So what will be VC infinity? Long time have passed. So the circuit would be, the capacitor would have opened up. So we have a open here, we have a open here, and an op amp circuit. So what do you think would be the voltage here when this has opened up, and this is 0 volts and this is 0 volts, and no current is flowing here, no voltage drop here, so this 0 will appear here as well. So this would be 0. So at infinity it is 0, and we are going to get the expression for VC equal to 8 plus 0 minus 8 e raised power minus t over 2, or 8 1 minus e raised power minus t by 2. So V naught t would be minus 16 1 minus e raised power minus t by 2, or there can be several ways of writing it, volts, or v naught t would be 16 e raised power minus 0.5 t minus 1 volts.